take a look at the latest updates from the parking industry. Ville de Puteaux has installed one of the country's most progressive parking programmes with the assistance of hub parking technology, helping to modernise parking across the municipality. As part of the project, Hub automated 7 parking areas with over 50 devices, making the 2,300 bays open to more than 24,000 subscribers and 54,000 occasional users. The new parking devices integrate seamlessly with the Puteaux Mobile City app, and multiple payment methods are available to drivers. Visit the Showcase tab at parking-net.com to find out more about the project. An exciting new partnership between INRIX and HERE Technologies will help deliver industry-leading services and products, moving mobility forwards. INRIX will leverage map content from HERE in more than 50 countries with the specific goal of increasing connected services coverage and quality in the automotive sector. Parking at the Santa Cruz University Hospital in Vic has been transformed following the installation of the latest lighting guidance and signalling system from Scheidt and Bachman, which features the latest generation of VIA-T technology. And at Scheidt and Bachman UK, Martin Hughes, the managing director, is stepping down after 19 years at the helm. He will be replaced by Alan Griggs, a long-serving sales director who has been at the forefront of developing new system sales since 2000. Fully automated turnkey parking garage management solutions will be more readily available across the United States following the strategic partnership between Asura Technologies and Umojo. The software-based garage management platform developed by Asura and Umojo is easy to integrate into existing infrastructure and has already delivered exceptional results during a pilot in Chicago. Registrations are now open for the Parking Industry Expo 2019, which will be taking place in Rosemont from the 11th to 14th of March. We will be exhibiting, so get in touch to make an appointment or drop by our booth to see us. More details will be coming soon. And as 2018 comes to a close, we are busy planning our events for next year. In June, we will be hosting our first ever venue parking network event, and in October and November, we will be hosting our established airport parking network and shopping centre parking network events. That's it for this week. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Claire Stiles. See you next time.